walk up to the front door, you can see the 2-in-1 washer dryer with a few spots to hang your coat and shoes. As we move inside, you can see the front entrance. As we move along, we'll get to the living room and the kitchen. First, let's go into the bathroom. As you can see here, it's pretty spacious for a tiny home. Got the sink there. And as we move inside, you'll see the toilet and the shower, as well as this better view of the sink. As we move on out of the bathroom, we move towards the kitchen, where we can see the Sizely fridge, some storage for plates, cups, etc. A nice stove, sink, and a little laptop and area for myself to work or anyone to work. And then as we turn around, you can see the living room, nice big couch for the big family, some gaming systems for everyone to play, a big TV with some decorations, and in the back there you can see a lot of storage and a little plant for decoration. As we move this way, on the bottom floor we have the main master bedroom with a nice queen size bed for two, a TV, and plenty of space for clothes, etc. And then as we move out, we go up to the second floor. The only way up is a ladder, just to save space. But as we move up, you can see the 2-bed bedroom for what would be girls, but obviously that can be changed. You got some storage up top for any clothes, as well as under the bed. And in the middle here, some lamps above their bed, and then some sitting desks that are on the floor here with little workspace. And as we turn around, as you can see, there's another light switch for individual lighting in each room. We move down this little catwalk over to the single room, which would be for the boy in this case, where he had his own little room here with some posters and some little decorations, as well as his own little desk over here. And that's it. Here's a view of the back. You can see there's some solar panels on the roof and a satellite dish for any cable or TV needs that we might have as a family. And thanks for watching.